Steps, overfill this blood tube. See the drips? This messes with our ratio. Always fill to the line. Shake it gently to mix, like this. Now it's perfect. Easy fix. This tube has the wrong anticoagulant. The results would be invalid. It must be discarded immediately. Always double check before analysis. This is a hemolyzed blood sample, ruined by shaking. Watch as I shake it. See the blood cells breaking? Now it's cloudy. The cells have lysed. Always handle gently to avoid this. This is a common problem. Clotted samples in the wrong tube. Always use a tube with anticoagulant for blood work. This prevents clotting and ensures accurate results. Remember this for your next draw. Mislabeled blood tubes can lead to serious medical errors. Always double check labels to ensure patient safety. Welcome to our series on what not to do. First, cease drop. That's from a shaky hand and bad angle. And always talk to your patient. Never do this. Remember, practice makes perfect. The order of draw is crucial, starting with red for serum, then purple for increase of glucose. Reversing this contaminates samples. Now, I'll show you what happens if you shake a sample too hard. Watch the foam and bowls form. This is contamination. Always shake gently to mix without ruining your experiment. Delayed sample processing can ruin your results. This vial must be handled immediately. Elasis called hemolysis, ruining the sample. Process promptly for accurate results.